About this item: fitment fit for Chrysler Town & Country 2008, 2009, 2010, 2011, 2012, 2013, 2014, 2015, 2016. Dodge Grand Caravan 2008, 2009, 2010, 2011, 2012, 2013, 2014, 2015, 2016, 2017, 2018, 2019. 2020 reference number. Key fob for Dodge Caravan replacement for FCC ID M3N5WY783X IYZC01C P/N 267F5WY783X 2701AC01C. Part numbers 560467008, 560467008A, 560467008AC, 560467008AG, 560467009, 560467009A, 560467009AC, 560467009AG. Programming. Town & Country and Grand Caravan from 2008 to 2009 can be self-programmed and must have 2 working keys. Vehicle models above 2010 need to go to the dealer or locksmith for programming. What you get: complete keyless remote with electronic board and battery, 100% brand new, never used replacement part. Every single remote is